got some clear water happening right now. Hey guys, so episode 2-4, I guess I should try to get out of the sun so you guys could actually see the video, not just glare. Yeah, episode 2-4, I think. First one on Simcoe, we did all of Cook's Bay on the round trip of it. And the last episode, actually the Cook's Bay episode, we stopped here, cut across and went back. Then episode 23, we started on that side of Cook's Bay and followed the south shore all the way around to the Trent, and then we just cut across to get home. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow this shore a little further and make our way towards Barrie in the bay there. I can't recall, I think it's Shanty's Bay, Kemplefeld Bay, I don't know. Either way, I'll check and I'll write it down below over here. But yeah, we're gonna go do a round trip of the whole bay, come out, and at that point we basically have done all of Simcoe except the Narrows to the Trent, which there isn't much there. So knowing that I'm gonna pass through there at some point, I'll leave that for whenever that happens rather than a special trip there. And last year we went through the Narrows, if you recall, in one of the videos, west leg of the Trent, I guess. But yeah, so just gonna start heading over that way. We'll check in soon. Hopefully the wind dies down a bit more and we actually can pull out that drone finally after trying the last 10 times. But we'll see in a sec. Let's get started and off we go. Alright guys, so we made it. Let me load that. So we started off at the very bottom, worked our way, now we're at the edge of the bay going into Barrie. We're gonna follow in the south shore, come back out. I guess it's Kemplefeld Bay here, according to what it says. So yeah, we'll follow it around, come back out. If the wind stays like this, maybe I could pull out the drone around Barrie. Not, maybe by the time we get back to Cook's Bay. All I know is the second that wind died down, I'm getting murdered by these little flies. There's like thousands of them. They're stuck on my glasses, stuck everywhere. That's why I have all this shit on. But well, this water's so clear. Anyways, let's keep going and see what we can find. So we made it to Barrie, the end of the bay here. Half a tank of gas, not bad. Could have saved some fuel, but doing 80-90 is more fun. But yeah, we got the parks over here, all the condos or whatever, and over there you got the main downtown strip of Barrie. And yeah, there's the bay we came in from. Looks so different here from the water for somebody that's been to Barrie 10 million times. But it is what it is. That's why we're exploring. So we can't get too close because of those markers are keeping us from shore, obviously for the swimmers, but we'll follow along the line and explore a bit. Maybe when I'm closer to downtown, I'll be brave enough to pull out the drone, but I don't know yet. It's still kind of choppy at the back end of this bay. It scares the crap out of me with that drone, so we'll see, but for now, let's keep exploring. Cue in music now. Drone finally. That was actually quite fun, and I don't think I'm done yet. Just I got the wind warning. The wind's picked up in this bay a little bit, and I keep getting the wind warning when I try to get up high, so I couldn't get it as high as I wanted it, but I still got a few good shots, I think. Anyways, we're gonna run up the north shore here out of this bay, see what we see, and then eventually, with whatever gas I have left, I'm gonna have some fun, pin it a bit. And when we get back to Cook's Bay, maybe I'll throw the drone up around the river again if the wind is settled again. But for now, let's get the heck out of Barrie, start following up the shore, and see what else we could find. Let's do this. Get everything put away. Don't forget to secure the key. And away we go. Alright guys, so I had to put the goggles on because it's getting pretty windy and chilly, and you know, anyone that knows me knows I'm a wimp for cold, and my eyes were watering from the flying at 90. So we've now made it back to where this bay started, where we went in, but what I see right now is, you guys probably can't see it, there's some sort of big fire or something over there across the bay. It's nowhere near where I need to go, nowhere near where I want to go, and probably nowhere near where my fuel will take me, which sucks, because that would have been a pretty cool shot to see. That's pretty far. Oh well. I don't even know if you guys can see it on the camera. what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pin across to the other side of Cook's Bay, to the east side, so then I could pin it without any wake or anything all the way home, because the wind's coming from the east. I really wish I could get to that fire. That looks pretty cool, but that would mean, oh yeah, I'm way out there. That's in Georgina area and I'm far. So anyways, yeah, and then when I get back to shore, I mean back to the bottom of Cook's Bay, I'll check in, maybe fly the drone a few times. Worst case scenario, sign out and go from there. But that fire's really bugging me. I really want to go there. That's huge and it's getting big. Black smoke is usually not good. But anyways, let's keep going and I'll check in a minute. Low fuel, damn it, maybe this wasn't the best choice. But anyways, I made an executive decision. Look at all the bugs on this camera. Holy crap, can you guys even see through that lens anymore? Are you there? Hello? Oh, that's bad. Anyways, temptation got the best of me, so I crossed Simcoe to see what this smoke is, but it's thinning out already. So, oh, look how clear the water is. Smoke seems to be thinning out, so it probably wasn't the best decision. I can't even see out these goggles. Look how many bugs are everywhere. Stupid bugs. Anyways, I'm gonna pull out the drone, throw it up just to see what's up there, if I can see anything, and then from the drone I will check back in when we hit the bottom of Cook's Bay, if we hit the bottom of Cook's Bay. Well, I guess I got the spare gas if I really need it. But let's throw the drone up and see what we see. Check in a second. Alright guys, well, it was kind of a waste of time chasing that smoke because it was so far inland I couldn't see anything. Waste of gas. Bad judgment call, Casper. Bad judgment call. But it's okay. All in good fun. Found a nice quiet spot from the wind, which is good because I was freezing. My stupid gas lights on. And I don't even know if I hit record on that video. So if I didn't, you know, it's a waste of time. Take my word for it. If I did hit record, then you've seen it yourself. But gonna now not shoot anything, just gonna pin it all the way back to Cook's Bay, and we'll check in a sec when we get there. See you in a minute. All right, everybody, so we made it back to the entrance of the Holland River here, so the trip is technically concluded. Gas is lower than ever imagined, like 0, and it beeped quite a ways out there, so it's amazing how far this thing goes on no gas. But I'm gonna top up some fuel for the ride home, so at least the jerry can is empty for the last 5-6 kilometers. And yeah, like always, thanks for watching. Hope to see you on another adventure very soon. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, comment if you have any other trip ideas. Lots more to come. Kind of waiting for things to open up. And yeah, so stick around for a few drone shots of the river here. We haven't had a chance to do it, so I'll use them to sign out, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.